Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with PrimE by Riffclown. Or is it PrimE? We'll have to ask. All right, so this continues our irregular Sudoku theme week. Hope you're enjoying it. So we have irregular 6x6 Sudoku rules, which means in each row, each column, and each bold outlined region, we're placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. So this is a region, this is a region, this is a region, etc. So we have 6 of them, just like we'd have 6 boxes normally. They're just misshapen. In addition to that, we do have killer cages in the grid. Digits in a cage sum to the top left value, so they all sum to 11 in this case. These 4 sum to 11, these sum to 11. These three sum to 11. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, so I think it's good to start by thinking about 11 cages, 11 and 3, 11 and 4. We'll start with this 11 and 4. I mean, I already know, but I'm going to show you how you would think about this, or at least a good way to think about this. So 11 and 4 seems small, like it instinctually like, okay, that's a low average per cell. So what we want to think about is, well, in 4 cells, what is the absolute minimum I could do? And the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, which sums to 10. It's always good to know your triangle numbers. So if 1, 2, 3, 4 adds to 10, we just have to add 1 to that. Now, how are we adding 1 to that? Well, we can't add 1 to the 1, 2, or 3 because that would end up repeating a digit. We can't be 2, 3, 4. We can't be 1, 3, 4, right? We can't be 1, 1. Sorry, we can't be 2, 2, 3, 4. We can't be 1, 3, 3, 4. But we can add 1 to the 4, and that's the only way to do it. So when we're 1 off from the minimum, we're always going to be have only one choice. And so you can identify that and just immediately fill it. We'll just remove this 1, 3 here. And so in this row, we can see that we already have 1, 2, 3, and 5. So the rest of the row is 4, 6. And 4 plus 6 is 10. That places the 1 here. And that's in the same region as this one. So that removes that. So we know that the 1 and the 3 are over here somewhere. That's not 1. Okay. So let's think about 11 and 3. Let's actually just do it. I think this is, none of them are super open. Right. This is the most open one, maybe. So if we used a 1, like we're thinking about what's the smallest digit we can put in. If the smallest digit is a 1, then we need 2 digits that add to 6. The only way to do that is 4, 6. So 1, 4, 6 is one of our options. Like, why don't we just write it out like scratch down here? So 1, 4, 6 is one of our options. The next stop, that's the only way we're including the 1 then. So the next lowest is 2. If we include a 2, then the other 2 digits add to 9. So we could be with 2, 3, 6, or we could be with 2, 4, 5. Those are the 2 ways to add to 9, 3, 6, or 4, 5. Now, could our minimum be 3? 3, 4, 5 adds to 12. That's too big. So these are our 3 options: 1, 4, 6, 2, 3, 6, or 2, 4, 5. So you can see with 1 gone, this has to contain a 2. And so this is going to be from 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess. So it's going to contain a 2, and it's either 3, 6, or 4, 5 with it. I don't know that I can do anything with that. This region, this one here, is just... Oh, you know what? 3 is placed. That can't be 3, that can't be 3. So 3 is placed. Now that there's a 3 in it, it has to be 2, 3, 6. So that's a 2, 6. I'm going to get rid of these now. It's nice to have that scratch, but we'll remember. So this is a 4, 5 pair. Okay, so this is 2 or 5. So 4, 5 pair means the 5 is, that affects these. This removes 5 from these. So the 5 is here. This is now a 1, oopsie. This is now a 1, 2, 3 triple. So this is where the 6 goes. This is the 2 because of the 5 here. And there's a pair left here. It's a 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So this better be a 2 to finish the 11. All right. Now, is there anything else I can do? We have these 2 3s looking down. So 3 somewhere here. I'm tempted to color the regions just to be able to spot that easier. But anyway. I need 1, 3, and 6. I'm not sure if that would get in the way or not to color. Maybe what I can do is like use this really light gray and just like checkerboard it. That didn't really help, did it? I could introduce one more color. Do I just use all different colors then? Purple. I might as well just do this. I'm going to avoid red. It feels strong. Okay. So those are our regions. That might help. So 2, 4, 5. One would force 4, 6 here. 3. Does 3 force anything? 11 minus 3 is 8. Yeah. We'd have to be 3, 2, 6. So 2, 3, 6. No. Yeah, 2, 3, 6. And the 6 forces 1, 4 or 2, 3. So I don't know. This being 4, 5 makes me want to make it 2, 4, 5, but it doesn't have to be. I think 5. Maybe I should have kept the scratch of options. Anyway, 5, 11 minus 5 is 6, right? So with the 5, we can't do 1, 5 to add to 6, so we'd have to do 2, 4. So I guess this always contains a 4. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder if we could think about the outies more easily. I bet that's easier. And that'll also show that we need a 4. So what do I mean by outies? Well, this adds to 11. This column adds to 21. So to get from 11 to 21, we need to add 10. So these 3 add to 10, which means these 2 add to 7. So we already have the 3 gone. We can't do 4, 3. So we're going to have to do 6, 1. And that's a 4. And that makes this 2, 4, 5. All right, so that's not a 2. That is the 2. Okay, so that's not a 1. Now, we do have outies here. Yeah, it's 1, 3, 6. That's our outies. 6 is one of these 2. I feel like I'm just like missing something. What about, oh, this is known. We'll do this triple first. In fact, it's the 4. The 4 looks down. So that's the 4. Let's get this triple written out. We need a 3, 5, 6. So this doesn't have a 2 in it now. So it's got to use the 1. So it has to be 1, 4, 6. So this isn't a 3. 1, 4, 6. That's not 4. That's not 1. So this is the only place for 4. And the 1, 4, 6. So that's 5. That's 4. That's 5. We get the 4 and 5 here. That's not a 5. So what's left in yellow is 1, 3, 6. The 3 can only go here. That's 2. That's a 6. All right, this is 1 or 6. Oh, it's not a 6. That's 1. That's 6. That's 2. That's 6. Get the 1 and 6 here. That's a 3. That's 1. I think we're finishing. This is a 5. That's 3 and 5. And then the remaining digits, we need a 4. We need a 3. We need a 2. Alrighty. Cool. Nice puzzle, Riffclown. Yeah, interesting use of the 11 cages. It flowed nicely. I think there was just a lot of Sudoku at some point. But I liked this flowing into that, giving us the 1, which told us this had to be 2, 3, 6. That was a nice flow there, nice opening. And then good follow-ups after that. Cool. Oh, I liked this outie here as well. Forcing the 1 and 6 was a bit surprising. All right, well, how'd you do?